getting started, y'all. What we doing today? Picking these green beans, so.
Yep. This is our first year growing green beans. Most of us year growing anything, actually.
Yeah. Pick this one off too.
It's a tiny one, though.
Cool. Alright. On to the next bean plant.
Yeah, bean it.
So we just got done picking some northern beans. Now we over here picking the bush beans. Okay. I'll put in the basket. I'm putting in the basket somewhere. Okay, we give the Kaden. Alright, we got another one over here. We're gonna go ahead and get the little ones off too. We're just gonna go ahead and pick it clean so we can get another load. Alright, get off my back. That's not nice.
She's trying to get around. So get the kale with it. Wait, what's in it?
So, Zay, you see those over there?
Yes.
You're gonna get those?
Okay.
You see them?
Yep, right there.
Okay.
Yep.
Two more. What you got?
And
You gotta show them what you got.
that.
Okay. Mama got this cold, y'all. So let's see what else we got. I think we almost done.
We got this one over here.
Got those two plants picked clean. So we're gonna move on over. Let's get on down. Alright. Layla, you wanna pick those?
You wanna pick them now?
Okay, and we're gonna let you pick the other one. Don't break the stem. Be careful. Let's see. Good job.
Yeah, Kaden.
He got the next plant to get. Alright, okay.
You can grab everything. Yeah.
Put them in the basket.
Oh no! No, y'all, we gotta wash them and eat.
Yeah.
We always have to wash our vegetables.
Yeah. Even when you get them from the store.
You did one.
Okay, we got all that one clipped off.
Yep.
Oh, we got this plant over here.
We got a lot of beans around here. I wonder how these gonna taste like. We had some.
Good.
We had some for 4th of July though, but this is beans we got from our plants.
Yeah.
Mom, can I get a sauce, please?
Huh?
We're gonna go on the other one.
Yep. Plus the other one got more space anyway. This is the biggest.
The ones
This
that we
is
dropped.
These are the biggest one we picked so far.
Let's see. Show all of them. Okay. All right, yeah, they are nice size. You see them all? We got them all. Even the ones we've been dropping. It's okay. We got them all. We gotta catch them all. Okay.
Yep.
On to the next plant, y'all.
We got a lot of bean plants around here.
We got this bean plant over here. Let's pick this one, y'all.
Okay.
Layla and Kaden. Don't break the plant, Kaden.
Okay. Gotta be gentle. That's right now.
Yeah.
This is a plant. This leave a bit like kind of like orange yellow.
Y'all gonna kill my little pot plant. Pulled it out the ground, y'all. Look at these kids. All
y'all
right.
supposed to be gentle.
We're gonna replant it in another spot.
I'm too strong.
Kaden, that's not nice.
Yeah, exactly. That little poor beanstalk you pulled out.
All right, I got the last one because y'all just gonna kill my pot plants.
No, they can be gone since all of this still here.
Okay.
If y'all pull y'all plants in the woods out there, that means we grow it.
Okay, yeah. I'm digging a nice little spot right here. still a little sick is what I was trying to tell my daughter earlier. But yeah, okay.
But here's a fun fact though, y'all. You can grow a cantaloupe from the seeds inside there if you have them.
Yep.
You grow cantaloupes and all different kinds of fruit seeds you can regrow. It'll take a little while to grow an apple tree though. Y'all want to grow an apple tree.
All right, on to the next plants.
Mom, you
We're gonna finish
Mom, you big girl.
harvesting. I think we got all the things that's ready, but we're gonna finish working in the garden.
Why about this one, Mom?
The bell pepper. I don't. Let's see if it's ready. What?
It.
It'll be okay. We'll get your legs wiped off in a minute.
Oh my god.
But it's pretty much ready, so we can go ahead and pick it off.
This time Mom got this one. You gonna pull her bell pepper plant.
Yeah, give me some scissors, because they're gonna tear all my little plants up, and I ain't finna let them do it.
What did you do?
Because she didn't pull the last plant up. Okay.
Look how purple it is, y'all.
Yep. What is it? Say.
It's a pepper.
What is it?
It's a pepper.
A purple bell pepper, y'all.
Yep. A purple pepper.
Why is it mine?
All right, so that's it for the harvest. Let's put it in the basket and let them see what it looks like. Hey, y'all, we about to harvest this cantaloupe. What are we harvesting, Zay?
Cantaloupe.
This your first one you harvest?
Yes.
You ready to cut it?
Yes.
All right.
Look how big this cantaloupe is.
Yeah, it's a nice size cantaloupe.
It's big and it can be sweet. I mean, it's sweet. First can eat.
Smell it. Do you smell cantaloupe?
Yep.
Do you see it, Layla?
Yeah. It's a top.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
1, 2, 3.
We pick up. We heard a cantaloupe. We took out a cantaloupe.
Okay, go ahead and cut it off like Zay.
Okay.
Watch their fingers. Move. Yep, up, yep.
Yeah.
Good job. Y'all was kind of close there. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for helping me pick that cantaloupe. You gonna pick the other one?
Yep. This time I can do it this time.
Step back, y'all. Let Zay do it.
This is a big cantaloupe we picked. Look at mango actually. It looks like mango actually if you look at it.
Yeah. That's
All right. Good job.
Yeah, look at me actually. Been back in.
I'll pick it back. So we do. We harvest stuff.
Yeah. Don't move it.
So how many we got so far, y'all?
We got 4. Let count out.
4, 5, 9, 8.
How many we got?
What? 4, 9, 4, 8. What?
Y'all count 1,
9.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
So we got what?
4.
4.
4 cantaloupes.
You
All
want
right,
me,
that looks
Mama?
good for a harvest to me.
It looked very good. Look, our harvest was good.
Yeah.
So they think we had a very good harvest. I think so too. And this is what we got. We got us some bush beans and a couple northern beans.
Yeah.
So we're going to see what they look like. All the tender ones we probably going to fry up with some onions and maybe some chicken or something like that. Bake it up. We're going to see what we're going to do with them. But we're going to add it to the meal. The bell pepper, I know we're going to add that to the meal. We're gonna cut up a couple of these cantaloupes out the wild and see how they look
Hey.
on the inside. But that's today's harvest. Like, comment, and subscribe as always. Tanisha B.